How to download Lightroom presets on mobile. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Once it loads, tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Lightroom presets and wait for the results to appear. You will see multiple apps listed, so carefully scroll through and find the app developed by Mobile Presets and Filters. Once you find it, tap on the app to go to its details page. Here you can see information about the app, its rating and reviews to ensure it's reliable. Next, tap the install button and wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, open the app. You may need to grant some permissions such as access to your photos and storage so the app can work properly. Inside the app, you will find a variety of presets available for download. You can browse through categories, see previews and select the presets that match the style you want for your photos. Now you know how to download Lightroom presets on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.